Now, one of the things that's really made its way into racing in the last few years has been this sort of migration of technology and available communication to the steering wheel. And I have to say, it's really helped high performance driving. And that's something I'm always looking for, being able to keep my hands on the wheel and my focus on the road. So I'm very pleased to sort of get to meet this steering wheel. Now, I know I can access the instrument panel menu through the steering wheel controls, but let me just run through everything here on the left before you jump in. I have the phone controls. I've got the voice recognition control button, volume up and down, the media tracks, I guess, or radio stations, whatever. Next and previous. But now if I push the menu and the OK button, that gets me in, right?
That is it. And while you're there, please go ahead and have a scroll through the functions. Just hit those up or down arrows.
Okay.
Very nice. You'll see that you've got access to media, driver assistance, trip information. You can see display options, head-up display, and actually we'll get back to that one in just a second.
Okay.
But you can also see vehicle settings here as well.
Yeah.
But for a moment, let's go back to the head-up display.
Okay.
Very nice. Now, in this menu, you can set up the position of the head-up display on the screen in relation to your seat height.
Okay, let me just do it. Run through, push OK. Down to position, across I go. Yeah, this is very important because I know, especially in bright sunlight, it's about getting it completely perfect for your body height, seat height. There I am, 6 foot, and I'm in. That's great.
Very nice. And we also use laser technology so the image won't be washed out in brighter sunlight.
Wow.
Also in this menu, we have set up which items you want to see on the head-up display. You can actually change what you're viewing.
Okay, can I just take a look? This is something you really want to do before you get on the road, obviously. Oh, navigation, traffic sign recognition. I like that one. I'll select that. I can definitely see that the turn-by-turn guidance is going to be useful. But what about using the steering wheel controls for controlling other functions when I'm on the road?
Well, it's very handy. You know about the volume and the media control functions, but you might also find it useful to view and select the recent calls list. Just touch and release the phone icon.
Okay.
To call the most recent number from the top of the list, touch the phone icon again.
Okay. And I guess then I'd just scroll down for others.